Welcome, I'm Moshe Daniel. This is a David House Productions video. This is a wonderful Orgone Accumulator pyramid that I designed and that my father, John L., built around 15 years ago. And for this whole time it's remained in this state. Now the very first year that it was made, it had this wooden capstone, and we were looking for a crystal to match, and we found this identical match at a gem show, which was a miracle. And then we completed this phase of the pyramid. For some time, the pyramid remained in this way with a beautiful, sort of unfinished looking wooden capstone. And it was like this for about a year after the pyramid was complete, and without its beautiful crystal capstone. Take a look inside. It has Orgone accumulating walls. Really beautiful. Lots of comfortable place for two people to sit. Right now I'm just sitting in there myself, and I can grab the camera for 1 second and I'll show you how spacious it is and how comfy it is. And that's the capstone. You can see it's nice and clear, and it feels wonderful in here. And here I just have a piece of orgonite with a nice rose quartz to keep the energy in here nice and clear. So this is how it remained for about 15 years. And recently I decided that we needed to do a couple of enhancements. The first enhancement that we want to do is to create a metal grid, a framework for the pyramid, because it's all wooden, and even though the shape itself has sacred geometry, it was built with the sacred geometry of the pyramids of Giza, for me it was missing the metallic grid to resonate electrically with the atmosphere. Electromagnetically. So that's what we're doing now, and we'll show you the pieces as we go along. And the next thing that we want to do is this symbol. This pyramid is a masculine pyramid. It's the symbol of fire and alchemy. All the energy is channeling up towards heaven. So in that way, it's beautiful. It's divine. But there's the female element missing. And so we want to create some more balance. So we're working on a female pyramid on the inside to come right underneath this, because right now we can't make a whole Merkaba of the same size of this kind of a pyramid at this moment. So we're just going to make a female pyramid on the inside. Hey there, we're making a female pyramid inside of the pyramid out of copper pipes. We're casting it inside of here with orgonite. The capstone is going to be made out of orgonite. We have our orgonite mix here, the metallic shards, and we're going to be mixing with the resin here inside of this plastic glass, and then we're going to cast it in here with this crystal wound with 36 inches of wire, which is half of the width of the base. So I'm thinking that that's going to be some kind of a resonance there with the length. It's quite simplistic, but I'm feeling good about it. So, all right.
And what kind of a crystal is that?
This is a clear quartz crystal, double terminated. Very nice crystal. So the tip is going to be right in the top of the pyramid. Then we're going to pop it out, and we're actually going to use this metallic crystal as a metallic capstone for the frame that we're making out of these copper pipes, which it's going to come like this on each side, down the sides of the pyramid, upstairs. All right, so that's that. All right, so we mixed up the orgonite and we poured it into this pyramid, which is at the top of this whole pyramid structure, and we embedded, as you can see, the crystal in here. Can you get a shot of the orgonite inside? Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And then we made a base, which is, as you see here. And then I made what I call orgonite goop. So I just took some regular goop and mixed in a bunch of shards, orgonite little shards of metal, which makes it kind of an orgonite goop, and then all of the points of the pyramid are in electrical conduct with each other, which is a beautiful thing. That's exactly what we want. And now over here, what we did, this is going to be for the larger pyramid. If you take a look here, we got these little regular plumber's right angles. We poured orgonite in here and then put these pipes, copper tubes, inside with a little cap. I use those from my Mojo cell, the hole, and now they're all held nice and together. These are going to go around the base of the large pyramid, and we're on our way. So we've got our capstone off, and here's our finalized, beautiful orgonite capstone with a metallic capstone, embedded crystal pyramid. Very, very nice energy from it, which is made for this opening right here. We're very excited about it, and I'm just going to go like this and put it inside the pyramid so that it rests in place. There we go. There we go. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we're going to take our crystal capstone. Okay, so that it's in place. There we go. Let's see what it's like on the inside. Let's see what it's like on the inside. Let's grab that right like that. Whoa! Look at that. So we have the female pyramid up inside the giant male pyramid. Alright, got my angle here for 51.85 degrees approximately, cutting into the corners of where the copper frame is. So this will be the other piece of copper that will be, I don't have it yet. After I drill the hole, I'll put them in. That will be coming in at this angle, the angle of the walls going up to the summit, to the peak of the pyramid. Alright, so here is the almost complete, well, pretty much complete pyramid. We changed the brace here and shaved it down so that it's at the angle. Nice, beautiful angle with the walls, And we just sat in there. It is so hot in there, and it's cool in this room. The temperature differential is always higher in an orgone accumulator, but this is hotter than I've ever felt. And amazing energy in there. So we have, this is just makeshift for now. We're going to put a couple of brackets, but pretty much this experiment of putting the metallic frame on the orgone accumulator with the metallic capstone is a success, a great success. And here is the final look of the pyramid now that she has been enhanced. Fire and water inside. The feeling is incredible inside the pyramid. I can hear a high frequency that I didn't hear before, and I'm assuming it is because of the installation of the metallic frame of the pyramid. And we have the crystal capstone, but it's also capped with the metallic capstone. All in all, a wondrous project, successful, very successful, and something that must be experienced.